some breakfast right now. It is the cutest, quaintest little place. Toaster on every table, which is good because at the other place you could age rapidly while waiting for toast, and it never did brown.
Guest book, but photos.
Ah, we will look after breakfast.
I can show you.
For 25 cents, the two of us just jumped into one of those.
We did this in Thailand.
Here's Malang's bird market, and I'll tell you how we. Every now and then we would stop a becak driver or somebody else, and I'd go, tweet, 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 flap, 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 flap. Those are beautiful. I have no idea what they are. Ew, you know what that is? Humongo bat. My God, that is huge. All I can think of is bird flu. Larvae thingies. They probably feature the birds. Hey, bunny foo-foos. I bet they eat these. Hi, pretty pussycat. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. It smells so good. Kinds of bird seed. My sons used to have gerbils when they were little. Hi guys. You have your bird cage custom made here. Let's make way for ducklings. Mac, Jack, Pack, Uwack. This is the main square of Malang called Alun-Alun. Lots of very, very old, gorgeous big trees, banyan trees, whatever you want to call it. An oasis of green and serenity in the middle of the hustle and bustle of Malang. Local vendors out here. People are extremely friendly. Everyone wants to know your name, where you're from. Very obviously the wealthier area of Malang. Old Dutch-style houses. Houses on both sides of the street. It's Holland Bakery. Supposed to have really good food in there. We'll have to examine.